Oh no, the crowd hitter got some shoes. Yo, what is up YouTube? No need for an intro. We got the Rohana Rf2s on my 2016 Mustang GT. We went with 20x10s in the front. They're sitting nicely on 275s, Nittos. And we got the 305s, the meaty boys, in the back on a 20x11. Rohana Rf2s, rotary forged, very light wheel, super aggressive, looks beautiful in the sunlight. When it's not in the sunlight, you get that black cherry effect. Sitting nicely on the 305s. Excuse my Borla exhaust trying to talk to us there. Black on black is great. I'm not a hater, but sometimes you need to spice it up. And this is exactly what we did. We got the tinted headlight covers real cheap. I think they were like 60 bucks. Get the job done. I got the new grill. I'll link everything that I've done to it in the description so far, mostly cosmetics. Leave it down in the comments what splitter I should go with. I really want to change up the front end of this. The spoiler is coming, but this angle right there, this thing looks absolutely nasty. I'm so glad I went with a slightly used Mustang so I could keep some money in my pocket. Now, like I said, when it's in the dark, this thing just looks rude. You got the black cherry effect. I don't know if we'll be able to see this there. Hopefully you will. Super clean, super happy with this fitment. And I could still go lower if you see that there. Kinda, maybe not. We'll have to do some working there, but this rear just looks absolutely brutal. Check that out, the 305s, and this is stock height. I still got a nice little 2 inches there, 2 fingers, and that is definitely gonna hit whenever she gets lowered. But this angle right there is just rude. She's extremely dirty and she needs a paint correction. I really want to get that done. I got the black badges. I need to put those on. So she's gonna be black everywhere. Needs to get lowered. Splitter, spoiler, interior, and make her faster. I'm falling in love with this car more and more. I do not see this leaving my garage or lack of garage anytime soon. Just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave down any comments to what you think about these rims or what the next mod should be. Kill Cam out. Motovlogs coming soon. Stay tuned for that as well.